roster of Boardwalk endorsers
Oh,
or
yes.
artist collection. Dati pa yun, and alam mo yun, Boardwalk has been part of your growing
Yes,
career.
of course, I would really like to thank Boardwalk, Miss Imelda, Sir Bernardo, for getting me, for trusting in me. Even wala pa po ako dito sa place ko ngayon since the beginning. Last year, they got me na as an endorser, and that's a really big deal for me kasi napakalaking brand ng Boardwalk, and to be part of this family is more than a huge honor. Thank you so much po.
Ano naman mga challenges na yan?
Yes, for kahit ano ba yung challenges.
Yes. The question is, what's next? Ano yung aabangan namin sa'yo?
Yan, of course, Mondays to Saturdays, Eat Bulaga, yung Kalye Serie, kayo yung Kalye Serie po, and abangan nila kung kailan ba ang tamang panahon. Malapit na yung tamang panahon na yan. Ako din, excite kasi even ako, hindi, joke lang. Pero yun nga, ako din personally kasi since Kalye Serie is really an on-the-spot kumbaga thing, hindi namin alam kung ano yung mga mangyayari. So abangan nyo rin. Kumbaga kung ako hindi ko pa alam. Nako, malapit na mangyari yun. And then yung Sunday, Pinasaya, every Sunday po, of course, kasama ko Marian Rivera, Miss Ay de las Alas, Jose Wally, Julian, San Jose, Balin Montenegro, Joey Paras. Every Sunday yan. Kumbaga, I would like to thank everyone who's been supporting the show since day one. We are continuously doing good in terms of ratings, so thank you so much po. Keep on watching Eat Bulaga and Sunday Pinasaya.